How to add extra baggage on Southwest Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add extra baggage on Southwest Airlines, and here is how to go about it. It is very simple. Now, the first step is to visit the Southwest Airlines website and log in into your account. So once you're logged into your account, the next step would be for you to manage your reservations, that is your flight. And how do you do so? On the home page, scroll down to the flight section. And then once you're in the flight section, you will see options like flight, vacations, hotel, car, check-in, flight status, change slash cancel. So just select this change slash cancels option. Then in the box displayed, the next will be for you to enter in your confirmation number, then your first name as well as your last name, and then select change flight, not cancel flight, but change flight, and then click on search. Then after clicking on search, you'll be taken to the flights page where you can now modify your flight. You can add whatever you want to add, remove whatever you want to remove. You can edit and upgrade your flight as well. So on this page, the next thing would be for you to choose the option or look for the options add or manage baggage. All right. And then there you can decide to add extra baggage on the page. Now, the reason I cannot show you vividly is because I have not booked a flight and I do not have a confirmation number. So, but follow the procedures I have listed out and you'll definitely get it. So that is it. All right. And if you try that and it still doesn't work, you can just decide to contact the customer support by scrolling down and then under the help center, just select help center and then you'll be taken to the help center's page and you would have options on what to do. Thanks for watching and have a good day.